If you want to lose stubborn abdominal fat faster, don't make these 3 common fat loss mistakes below. 1. Use specific exercises for abs. For some unknown reason, the misconception of reducing abdominal fat with abs exercises continues. No argument has ever convinced me that you can lose fat from a specific part of the body by contracting the affected muscle. Fat loss just doesn't work that way. Yet for some reason, we see hundreds of people every day at the gym doing hundreds of crunches and leg lifts and thinking that they are somehow burning fat from their abdomen, while in reality, they are just wasting time. Fat loss is a systemic effect that takes place as a morphotype in a healthy body. How fat is stored varies from person to person depending on hormone levels, the genetic pattern of fat storage, myofascial restrictions and inflammation. Reducing body fat in these areas through exercise is only done if, for example, you are working to change the hormonal levels that have induced fat storage areas. However, there is not yet convincing evidence that you can press the triceps press and lose fat on the back of your arms, for example. It just doesn't work that way. The same is true with your abs. In this case, even if you do 3,000 abs per day, it will not be better for fat loss. Fat loss is a matter of 1. Energetic training system. 2. Compound movements targeting several joints at the same time. 3. Muscle balancing. 4. Recruitment of motor units. And 5. Multi-plane movements. It's impossible to add all of that into an abs exercise, or even a few sets of abs. The goal is to tire a large part of your body as safely as possible. What is called momentary muscle failure is when the appearance of lactic acid occurs. Remember, lactic acid, which is what hurts you, is a very good thing. This means your body is working hard to reduce inflammation and repair itself. You are well on your way to rapid fat loss. You will see incredible results when you accept this. I believe that muscle pain following a fat loss workout should be 5 to 7 on a scale of 0 to 10 most of the time, when 0 equals no pain, no muscle pain. 10 equals extreme muscle pain, level of urgency. It is an eye-opener for many people, and it may explain why you are not seeing the fat loss results that you hope for. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. 2. Cardio of low to moderate intensity for a long duration, walk. This alone will not work in the long run for fat loss results. It may work at first for someone who is extremely obese and sedentary, but not for most people. Although I strongly believe in the benefits of walking to relieve stress, high blood pressure and changing cholesterol, etc., I do not consider this to be a good method for losing body fat. Losing fat is shocking your body and stimulating a repair process. Giving your body the ability to adapt to demand over time does not allow you to lose fat quickly. Of course, you can see some initial results, often masked as tone, but in the end you change your type IIA muscle fibers, glycolytic oxidatives, or fibers at medium speed, to type 1 fibers, oxidative muscle fibers, or slow who have great endurance. The only problem is that type 2 muscle fibers do a much better job of being thin. By stimulating muscle strength, not necessarily by bulking, you improve your metabolism. It takes energy to build and restore lean muscle tissue. This allows it to grow by consuming a little more energy, but you don't have to grow to see great results. Instead, just create a muscle repair process while boosting your metabolism with fat-burning foods and you will see your results go wild. After a workout-style alternation with resistance of the whole body, your metabolism will increase for 2 to 3 days while your body reabsorbs lactic acid from your bloodstream, oxygen to restore muscle tissue that you've worked, and fix the micro-tears that have taken place in your muscles. Supersets or whole-body training circuits are an example of that. Interval training accomplishes that too, but what if we want to go further and make you a fat-burning machine? I suggest you alternate body parts, directions, speeds, intensities, and muscle synergies, or pairs. Alternating in any form, even if the intensity is a bit lower, is still a signal of rapid fat loss from your body. You are sure to see results once you start thinking about fat loss as shock and make the fat go away. 3. Calorie restriction. Calorie restriction equals muscle starvation equals stopping fat loss. Muscle needs calories to grow. Without a certain degree of muscle growth, it atrophies under stress. If you are doing strenuous exercise, which you should do, your muscle will be eating itself to survive. It is really important that you nourish your system so that it can grow and maintain its level of functioning. Your body needs food for muscle repair, focus, heart health, and digestive health. Regular meals are best. There are 2 schools of thought with eating for fat loss. 1. Eat 3 meals a day and up to 2 snacks. 2. Eat 5 to 6 small meals a day. Normally, I recommend number 2, because I find it a great way to make sure you don't snack on things that are bad for you, because you eat healthy, small meals quite often. Also, I tend to never feel hungry when I eat on this concept. It is very useful for fat loss. On the contrary, it seems that eating 3 meals a day allows you to have enough time to digest and increase your metabolism again. I believe there should be some exercise between each meal if you choose this approach. If that's the goal, let's go. Again, my recommendation is 5 to 6 meals a day, where you pre-plan your meals for your week over the weekend, cook meals at a time, and prepare for fat loss. Above all, make sure you have enough calories. Yes, you need a calorie deficit to lose fat over a period of time, but taking too few calories daily can lower your metabolism and stop your fat loss. In no case should an active woman eat less than 1,300 calories or an active man eat less than 1,500 calories when trying to lose weight. In a few months of coaching, most of my clients are women eating 1,800 to 2,000 calories, and my male clients are eating 2,100 to 2,800 calories, and they continue to lose fat faster and faster. The goal should be to boost your metabolism to be able to eat more, not less. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan.